Hey guys, we're going to have a quick look at, the silver and gold. We're going to look at the daily chart, the weekly chart. We're going to get a good clear picture of what the market's telling us. So let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alrighty guys, so let's get into silver and gold. Let's get straight into having a look at the silver chart on the daily basis. That is, we can see on the silver chart that we're actually getting, the market's actually pulling back through here on a short-term basis. That is, it's actually pulling back here, and we're actually getting the stochastics rolling over again. And the last time, and actually every time guys, every time we've actually got the stochastics oversold and we rolled over, that point through there, that point through there, that point through there, even that point through there, and what's happening right now. And every time we had these low points, we got a rally, and now we're getting this another low point through here, and we're about to get another. Now, it doesn't mean that's not going to keep going down from here, but the thing is I mean, on the short term. But I believe this here, guys, is a sign that we're likely to start seeing some movement to the high side. We're now ready to pick back up, and especially if it does hold where we are right now, because what that's going to create is a really nice little higher trough. And what I mean by that is that you've got this low point through here, and that point through there. It's a nice little higher trough. When that happens, buyers in control. We start to break above this level through here. That'll confirm for me that the buyers are back in control, and then we're likely to break above 20. And I believe this will be the start of something big coming in silver. But if we have a look at our trend lines through here, let me bring up my trend lines on my daily chart. You can actually see that that silver hasn't got anywhere near its actual sort of trend lines through here yet. The way that it's going, it'll be probably, into maybe the middle of next month before it gets into there. I don't think it's going to take that long, but you can see what's actually happening through here. And that 18,500, I'm thinking about the Dow Jones, $18.50 level is definitely the key area for me. Now, if we go to the weekly chart, let's go have a look at the weekly chart. And let me actually just squeeze this up through here, and I'm going to bring up my trend lines. This is what the weekly chart looks like. Now, we could draw some other trend lines, stuff like that, but I'm just keeping it real simple here. And once again, you can see what's really going on through here. And I did a video last week, but you can really see the 1850 level, 1850 level, 1850 level, and now we've got this resistance here and this here. We're holding strong here. So I'm expecting a hold strong, an explosion come out of the markets. Now, what I mean by an explosion is I believe moving over the next few months, things are likely to start getting a lot worse in the economy. So therefore, a lot more people are going to race to silver and gold. And I do believe we can actually see, at least a 26 or higher by the end of the year with silver and gold. That's just what I think. But you can see, guys, and I did a video last week based on the strength. You can see every time we get a good strong move up, we get a nice small pullback, and then we get a strong move up, a nice small pullback. And now this pullback has been longer, it's been slower, it's been tedious. I've been riding the whole thing the whole time. So I'm expecting, guys, this is just a big build up before bam, 22, 26, we break 26, and we've just got a pretty strong move up to 35. That'd be incredible if we could actually see that happening but by the end of this year. That would be really, really, really good. So that's what we're seeing there on silver. All right, let's go have a look at the gold chart. Now, the gold chart is doing something very, very similar, but the gold chart is looking so much more bullish, so much more bullish than the other charts. So if I just delete this trend line off through here, and I open this up through here, you can actually see, let me just draw this from this point through here, and you actually can see that, and just connect that up through there. You actually can see on a daily chart that we're basically at that level right now where we've been going for. It's been bouncing off that level, bouncing off there, bouncing off there. So guys, this is a very, very bullish sign. And once again, the same as silver, look at the stochastics. And I don't use many indicators myself, but every time we've gotten on the oversold level and we've turned back up again, that has been a major, that's actually been a turning point in the markets. Same for here as well too. Now it didn't turn a lot, but again guys, you're starting to see that. Now what you're also starting to see is a potential divergence on the indicators, like through here. Right, so a potential divergence on here, and a potential divergence on there, but it's actually showing strength. But not only that, but I want you to peel your eyes back to this slower stochastic here. And as you can see, right, let me actually bring up my pen. Let me bring up my pen here. And as you can see, every time we got this slow stochastic down, we actually formed a sort of a major bottom. Ran up, went sideways, came back down, almost got down to here. And that was that turning point, and we had a nice sharp bottom. Well, guess what's coming now? We're almost getting that nice sort of bottoming pattern where we are right now. And I'm expecting that, along with my shorter term stochastic, everything is lining up for a nice move to the high side. And every time we've gotten that sort of action, we've had an explosion to the high side. So that's what I see on the daily chart. Let me show you what I see on the weekly chart. It's even a lot more bullish. So I'm expecting some big moves coming in, moving into the end of September. I really do think that. And if I squeeze my chart up, you can see where we're at. We're at that level right now. We're right at that level, and we're bouncing off here and bouncing off here, and we're right at that level, and X marks the spot. A big move is about to happen in gold. You can see this level through here, and you can see this level through here. So X marks the spot. And we're at this major support level here, and the major support level here, I believe by looking at gold and silver, that we are likely to hold where we are right now, and then moving in through to the week, or moving into towards the end of September, the start of October, we're likely to start seeing some big movement. This is telling us something, guys. Think about this for a minute here, and I'll leave you these final thoughts. Now I've done my analysis on silver and gold. If silver and gold are setting up so bullish, and then you look at the Dow Jones, and the Dow Jones has created a false breakout, and now it looks like it's creating a very bearish pattern. Can't you see the charts are telling you what's really happening behind the scenes? The charts are telling you something major behind the scenes is about to happen. Gold and silver are setting up for a massive move to the high side, where the Dow Jones has just created a false breakout. So if you read these charts, you can actually see what's happening behind the scenes, and you actually can see what's going on here. Silver and gold are looking for silver and gold about to have a massive move, and the charts are telling us, that something is not right, and we're about to get some major volatility in the markets moving forward for the rest of the year. So guys, I'm really excited for this time, because you can do really well if you're on the right side of this market here, and that's where I'm positioned already. So I'm excited for this volatility to come. It's what I've been seeing for the whole year, but everything's starting to shape up right now. And again, take the weekly Dow Jones, that's looking really bearish with a false breakout, and now you're taking the silver and gold charts, and they are absolutely in line with a big move up, we're absolutely in line for a massive move up. The charts are telling you a major event is about to hit the market over the next month, I believe over the next month, going into the election. We're going to see a something major coming out of this market that's going to send the stock market down. It's going to send silver and gold prices moving to the moon. So guys, once again, I've learned this from my millionaire mentors, and once I studied these charts, the charts are talking to us. And if you listen to what the charts are saying, they're creating the bigger picture, and you start to see what's going on here, right? It's like, okay, well, Dow Jones created the false breakout, looking very weak. All right, cool. But then at the exact same time that happens, now we're getting ready, and you can see the charts are building energy for another big move in silver and gold. Hang on, they're both telling you the exact same thing. Dow Jones economy is something big is about to happen in the economy. That's what the Dow Jones is on. But then the silver and gold are the exact same thing. They're saying, we're getting ready for a big move up here. We've been going sideways to slightly down, a nice, slight little weak pullback through here. And now we're just getting ready for bam, out of here. So there we go, guys. Very, very, very simple analysis. You don't need to look at the many indicators. I like to look at the stochastics because it gives me guidance. But if you look at that weekly chart, look at the line chart, and start to see what this overall chart picture, you can start to see there's a massive move about to happen with silver and gold. You can just see it. It's all over the picture. And also, looking at this, it's saying a major event. A major event is about to hit the markets over the next 4 weeks. It's going to send the stock market down, plummeting, and it's going to get so many people into silver and gold. We're going to see silver and gold absolutely just spike up. And I do see gold at least at the 1540. And if something major that comes out, we could see some huge moves over the next month going into December. And if it does happen, we just may see a move like that, where it went from 1500 to 1400 over a couple of months, maybe even quicker. So I'm excited for this volatility, guys, and I'm excited for what the charts are telling me, because I'm on the right side of what this market is saying. Not what I hope for or not what I think. I'm trading what I see, and there is nothing bullish about the Dow Jones right now. There is nothing bearish about the oil, gold and oil. In fact, this is the most bullish picture I've seen in a long time. That's why I'm so excited about it, and I'm riding these things all the way to the bank. Well, hopefully anyway. Anyway, guys, that's it for me. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.